Gotta fix the green screen. All right. Take this off too. Today we got a really clear camera. Hair's kind of crazy because there's a hat. Freaking hat. Okay. How do I see my stream info go? I used to be able to see some stream information. How about this one? No, it wasn't this. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me see. Oh, this one. Okay, it's this one. Got it. All right. How do I drag this out of here? Get out of here. The heck? Okay. No way. Let me move it. Oh, snaps. My foot cracked really hard. Okay. I just gotta fix my OBS setup real quick. If I can. It's gonna even let me. Maybe it won't even let me. Well, that's fine. It don't have to let me. Let's see how my stream's doing on Twitch. Can I see myself? Okay. Good enough. Stream quality should be good enough. I wanted to finish my quest on Star Rail. Let me play some music. The music really helps out the mood. Know what I'm saying? What was I listening before? I'm gonna just go with it. All right. All right, all right. All right, this is Star Rail. This is the one of the waifu games I like a lot. I mean, I like waifu games. I've been making my own waifu game, which is what we're gonna get into in a sec. Waifu card action board game going on. Real good stuff. They got good waifu models in this game. It's crazy. Like even shadows. Shadows move around. I wonder how they do that. On the legs. That's crazy. Yeah, okay. They got light sources. I gotta add light sources into the game. But what was I gonna do? There's like some things that I'm running out of time. So like this, I think I finished all this stuff. Let me see. Yeah, okay. And then what's this? I think I gotta do this. I gotta go into the electric chair. Oh my gosh, I gotta play these ones? Those are the rewards I need. So I did bad on this. I need to win this battle still. Earn on heavenly blades after me. Dude. How do I win this one? Recommended types. This one is all about AoE damage, you know? Know what I'm saying? I need AoE. I need like... I need AoE lightning or freaking quantum. I don't have any of that. I do not got any of that. I do have her. You know what? That might be a good idea. That might do it. She's good. Okay. We have Blade, Ho-Ho, Ruan, Me, and dude, these names are hard to say. What was her name again? I can't get the name. Okay, that's fine. Let's just... Oh shit, I got all this stuff too. Wait. Increase the wind damage, I know. Oh yeah, let's keep that. And increase all allies energy regeneration rate. That looks good. Alright. Let's get it on. I wanna let's win these battles. First I'm gonna power up this dude because this dude's gonna be doing all the damage. Is there like a sword behind him? I don't get it. What's that thing? How do I turn up the volume on here? I don't hear anything. I think I have to do that outside the game. Okay, let's go ahead and power her up. Power the team up. Let's power him up. Now he's gonna release his stupid swords. Make everything more difficult than it has to be. And I gotta blow up those swords, so let's see. Okay, lightning. That one takes lightning damage, so we gotta hit it with lightning. Alright, and then one of these take wind. I'm gonna blow this one up. Bam. Okay. That killed that sword. Let's power him up again. All she does is power people up. And then she kind of does the same thing. Everybody on this team just powers up the green dude. Alright. There's no ice damage on here? I guess that makes sense. What do I even do? Attack this one? That didn't do anything. Okay, he has attacked this guy. Killed that sword. 2 more swords to go. Come on. Get that one. Let's get this sword. She's frozen, unfortunately. Oh, she's back. Let's attack him. Alright. All the swords are down. So now I can go in for the kill. The kill shot. Double kill shot. Okay. My stream doing alright? This music is suppressing. That's depressing. Depressing. Nirvana, man. Nirvana's cool sometimes. What the hell is... Where's the hype music? Alright, this music's kind of hilarious. I don't know what's happening. We'll roll with it. Power everybody up. I want the rewards, dang it. Let's do another power up. Use his blast skill. Oh jeez. The swords are back? Oh no, not yet. Ting Yun powering everybody up. Good. Do this. Blow him up. Bam. Okay. What am I listening to? Okay, hold up. Let's explore. Explore the moods. Let's do footwork. Sheesh. Maybe just attack. We got a lot of skill points. We're using them. Oh well. Am I looking pale? I'm just using my my way better camera now. So maybe I'm always pale, you just had no idea. Actually, dude, I'm pretty sure I'm like vitamin D. Like, I am like severely vitamin D deficient. Cause like, I don't think I'm supposed to look like, I think I'm supposed to be slightly tanned or something. I don't know, like health wise, that's how much vitamin D I need. Freaking average programmer, dude. I'm a freaking programmer. Hasn't even touched. I don't know what grass is. I haven't touched. I'm afraid of touching grass. It's scary. There's allergies. Don't make me. I will not do it. You can't make me. You can't make me. I'm just playing this video game real quick. I need to beat this boss before I get back into programming. It's a necessity. This little kid has to go down. The decompiler. I still don't really understand why you're writing a decompiler. What the hell is happening? And all that has visually is an if statement. Well, at least it's something. Dude, is he gonna bring his swords back out? Don't tell me. Oh, brother. I hate these freaking swords because I gotta kill him first before I can do anything else. Let me see. Maybe I'll just attack him. Oh, I can use my ultimate. When it's finished, it's gonna be at least 2,000 lines. That's a lot of spaghetti. Spaghetti. It's hard to know, like, It's hard not to write spaghetti code in the beginning. It's like, it's especially hard not to write... choose the right design pattern from the beginning. That's really hard. That's like almost impossibly hard. That's like higher than senior level hard. I mean, like in my video game, actually I think I chose... some of my design pattern decisions are good. But like, if I go into my Ray controller class, it's a shit show, dude. It is... this is like... if anyone saw this code... if I was like in an interview and I showed someone this code, they would just be like... brother. My brother. My brother in C#. Because I got if statements in... I got switch cases inside switch cases. And it's just like inside another switch case. We have a switch case in a switch case, which has another switch case. This is not it. This ain't it. But you know what? Like, it was hard for me to tell. I can kind of see what I should be doing. Probably like some sort of polymorphism to avoid all these switch cases, you know? Like some good object-oriented programming designs. It's just like... it's hard to see it what that would look like until I actually write the spaghetti code first. Because once I see the spaghetti code, I can tell like what a good pattern would be to apply to this code. Otherwise, I couldn't really see it beforehand. What's going on here? I gotta fix these bugs. First, I gotta beat up this little kid. Okay. Alright. Will this get him? A little bit. We're getting there. We are close. We are close to victory. Victory is at hand. Oh shit, don't die though. Alright, alright. Find a function call a function I call the function and then repeato. The thing about programming is like the program doesn't care if you're calling a bunch of functions within a functions within a functions. But it's just like everything falls apart when you have like a human try to read code. Then it's just like you're limited by how dumb a person is. So you gotta write code that a person can like understand. Like, cause like when you send JavaScript code across a network and stuff, usually it just like puts all the code into one line to like save space or like bandwidth across the network. If you try to read that code, you might as well just, I don't know, I would just kill myself. Oh my god, he went back to full life? I fucking hate this, dude. I thought I was about to win. What the hell? Dude, I hate this guy. Okay, hold up. What's wrong with my decompiler? I just don't know. Like, I have never needed to write a decompiler. I've never sat down and I was like, oh shit, how about a decompiler? I don't know. You want to read the Pokemon scripts and see it? Got it. That sounds hard. I mean, if you can do it, that's awesome. It's definitely gonna not be easy. As long as you have fun. As long as you have fun. What was their scripting language? I thought it would be like an assembly or something. Let me see. I gotta figure out who to attack, but first, let's do this. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and attack this guy. Oh, that's wrong. I'm gonna attack. I'm gonna attack this guy. It's wrong too. Dang it, I'm so wrong. Okay. Their own scripting poop. It's custom poop. I hate custom poop, dude. I only like natural, organic poop. None of that artificial stuff. You know what I'm saying? All natural over here. And they have and then they have a coded uninterpreter that reads their custom jargon. Custom. I wonder who made that game. Was it the Pokemon Company, or was it like some other company that the Pokemon Company hires? Because like Pokemon Company usually, I don't think they usually do any of their own programming. I think they usually just, people just buy their IP. At least that's what we're doing anyway. This Game Freak? Oh. Oh, okay. Damn, lazy. It's crazy how bad games used to be. Meanwhile, I'm making like a game with cute waifus with way better resolution and game mechanics, you know what I'm saying? Way better. Just by myself. Not tooting my own horn instead, you know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. And then for Gen 6 they ditched it and used Pawn instead. What the hell is Pawn, dude? What the heck is this? Can't they just be normal? Just use a normal language? Man. Why can't you be normal? Exactly, just running in C. Like, I don't like C myself, but I'm pretty sure it's better than whatever the hell Pawn is. Especially since, like, if you program in C, it might not be a fun experience. But whatever you're doing in C is gonna be very valuable in terms of like growing your programming technical skills. That'll carry over into all kinds of shit. But if you're programming in Pawn, I don't know what the hell you're doing. Never even heard of it. Simple typeless 32-bit extent. Oh, Jesus. Typeless? Oh my gosh. What a bunch of scrubs. Not having types when you're writing a video game has to probably be the worst decision I've ever heard in my life. I tried making a simple mobile app with React Native JavaScript with no types, and I freaking hated myself. Every moment I was like, this would be so much easier if I had types. This would be so much easier if I had types, because like I'm always just guessing what type of every object is when I'm writing the code. Like literally just guessing. And then obviously I can't remember all the types of everything, so obviously shit hits the fan real quick. And then I have to do a bunch of digging to figure out what the hell types I said, like what types they are under the hood. It's literally a shit show. I just can't, dude. I thought types were good like in my freshman year of college, and then I thought no types. I thought untyped stuff was good in my freshman year of college because I thought it was easier to code. It's easier to code like the first 5 lines of code without types, but then I don't know. I see some people coding in JavaScript, I guess. I don't know. It ain't me. It just ain't me. Give me the types. I'm happy. Just give me the types and and it's cool, you know? And everything's cool. Okay, I think I'm close to winning. Come on. I got all my ultimates up. I'm using them right now. That one's up too. Her ultimate makes my attacks penetrate more. She's a healer, but I don't need to heal anybody right now, so let's just attack. And this is my main damage guy. He does the crazy strong attack. See his life go down a little bit. Damn it, that's all it did. Now he uses ultimate. Okay, we're getting there, dude. Maybe I need more damage on this team. Okay, let's attack. We're kind of getting there. Come on, get in there. 36%, nice. 34, okay, cool. Come on, get in there. Do that. Let's use the ultimate again. I'm gonna go sleep. I have a long, horrible day ready for tomorrow. Okay. Yes, go tomorrow. Shoot, today's Saturday for me, so I don't know. Damn. Anyways, get some good rest, X-Men lives. Thanks for coming by to the stream. I'll see you next time, if you're available. Cheers, my friend. Next time. I'm waiting for it. You got over the biggest hurdles? That's awesome. Glad to hear it. Dude, this guy, I can't wait to beat this guy. Come on. Let's see. Let's do this. Use my ultimate. He's going down 19%. Let's do this. Boost him. Boost the entire team. Let's kill that sword. Okay. Oh, damn, I forgot about this. Okay. Oh, yeah. We're getting there. We're getting him. Bam! 5%. Let's go. Don't die. Where's my damage? Bam. Use the ultimate. This should do it. There we go. Did I get all the... Okay. New record. Does that qualify as a prize? I think it does. Hell yeah. Okay, glad that's done. Despair mode, that looks hard. I'm gonna take a break on this for now and get back to coding stuff. Let's see. Let's restart and maybe recompile. Actually, it's not even gonna compile, is it? I got a bunch of errors over here. Alright, see if we can fix these errors. Mine charging cables, no face. Okay. What's going on over here? I think I can get rid of this and a request. Grid position. Not really being used, huh? Okay, let's see if I can. So it wants unit, so I can just do card dot unit. No. Dot proto. Okay. Move to grid position. Can I resolve simple move to? That's what it wants. Oh, it's lowercase? Okay. Okay, cool. Play move card generator. Okay. We can get rid of that too. And right now I'm defining the types. I'm just serializing, deserializing everything. Dude, this game is so much freaking networking. Let's try this. Target unit. That's gonna be hard. Proto. Okay. Alright. And then we don't even need a grid position on this one. Okay. Get rid of it. Simplify. Is that all? Are we compiling? Okay. Let's try to build it. It's built. Test this game every time I gotta build it because it's multiplayer, which is actually kind of frustrating. But I don't know. I really want this game to be able to play with my friends on the internet. It was successful. Failed. Is the game on? Oh, it's because the game's on. It's because I'm running the game over here. Let's try again. Come on, build. I gotta figure out how to make this game mobile, compatible on mobile. All right. Oops. Password. All right. Let's go over here. I'm running 2 games at a time. And let's log into different accounts. All right, going game 73. All right. Oh, sorry, echo on my stream. Do that. Gotta fix this at some point. Okay, so I'm just really checking if if I move, does it move on the other game? That's a networking. That's a challenge. That is a challenge. Okay. No, something went wrong. What happened? Unit is out of range. Dang. Okay. So my backend thinks that unit is out of. It can't walk to that position. So I'm wondering if it's the starting position that's wrong in the database. It might be a starting position. have a unit table. Where am I tracking? I'm tracking it here. I don't think they're right. You can see, I'm looking at my database right now. It says like the unit is out of range, so it didn't move them. We got the X and Y position in our Postgres table. Some of them are null. I don't think this is just done right. I mean, like, I think when the game starts, they're not being set to what they are in the beginning. It's my suspicion. So, in that case, I wonder. I could just like do a little breakpoint real quick just to do a little confirmation. Little error playing card. A little quick confirmation-y. So we check if the unit is in range right over here. Okay, I'll put breakpoint. And I'm gonna try to move again. Oh, I can't move on this guy. Let's try to move her. And we got the move to. We're trying to move to 2-2 XY because it's 0-1-2 0-1-2. Yeah, it's that spot. And then the unit proto says it should say that the starting position of her is 0-3 or 3-0 or 2-0 because it starts 0-1-2 2-0. Okay, well, let's see what it says. Does it say 2-0 or does it say nil? It says nil. That's probably not right. Yeah, that's not. That ain't it. Yeah, I gotta set the starting position of the unit because, like, let's see. Let me get the ID of this specific unit is 169, and in the database, if I go to play, if I go to unit table, 169 is at 5.6. Huh. They do have a spot, even though it's the wrong spot. They do have a spot. They have a grid. It shouldn't be null at least. It should be 5.6. So when I look at this, 169. Grid position. Maybe this just isn't getting set also. There seems to be several issues at hand. Okay, let's go into the ORM. My database transaction. My query. You might say. You might call it. Let's see. We gotta make sure we get the X5 position. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely not getting the grid coordinates. So let's go ahead and do unit dot X position. Unit dot Y position. I don't know how I feel about doing queries in Golang. It seems kind of rough. Seems a little rougher than other languages. Okay, let's get unit proto. Unit proto. Yeah, there we go. Well, not that. Actually, we need a grid position. Oh damn. make a grid position. Let's do grid deck dot grid position. Position equal. Okay. Let's fill out. We gotta fill out the grid. We gotta fill out that data structure, and then tack it on afterwards. So we do it that way. Attach the grid position. Yeah, this is the rough thing about doing queries in Golang. You gotta do pointers to all the stuff you need to. I don't know how I feel about that. You need to send it their address, the addresses of your variables, and then I gotta do stuff like this if anything's nested. I gotta like create the nested object separately and then attach it to the parents afterwards. It seems like a lot to me. Seems like a lot. Anyways, that solves that problem. There's still the other problem where I gotta make sure that the initial state of all the positions of the units in the game are what my database says, where my database says they are. Because right now it's everywhere. It's like if I go to my unit table, they're just random ass coordinates, and then some of them just don't even have anything. That should never happen. When they spawn, they should immediately be given coordinates on the board. Let's see if I can. But the question is, do I have to write another remote procedural call for that? Or can I, like, do something else? I feel like I can do something else here. I'm like, I don't know if I'm just lazy and I don't want to write more RPC calls, or I'm really just really efficient at saving bandwidth. You know, there's different perspectives you can look at it. This is like my big stream, so I could use that. This is like sends all the gameplay network stuff, like when a person plays a card and ends their turn. So let me look at my spawn manager. Let me see if there's any calls happening in the beginning over here. I don't actually think I'm doing any calls. Oh wait, I am doing a call to the player at some point. I'm pretty sure. To grab player information. Where am I doing that? Start init players. Init players. This is that. Okay, here's a call. Okay, so actually now I'm rethinking stuff because the initial positions of all the units are like hard-coded right there. Now I feel like that's a mistake. They should be set on the back end, not in Unity, I think. I think that's what literally what needs to happen. Indeed, indeed. Okay, so in that case, I have to find out where. Okay, the game room. When the game starts, a bunch of stuff gets set up. I'm remembering that now. I am remembering that now. So this is this right here, the start game. I think here's where I should tell the database where all the units start. Game model.create game. Player ID to unit protos. Okay. Go into here. And then create players, okay. At some point we're creating units. Let's see. Get game ID of player, get players. Create players. And this does a bunch of stuff, looks like. Players, unit pros, get unit deck. Okay. We're getting warmer. Dude, these are nasty database functions. I probably shouldn't have done everything using the base library on Golang. Maybe that was not the move, but okay. I believe I am inserting units somewhere in the database. That's where I need to find out. I got a query here that's like inner join, so we're selecting units. Maybe this should be done when you create a deck, actually. Okay, hold up. So all this does is selecting stuff. Maybe I'm way too ahead of myself. Where is my create deck stuff? Create deck request. Go to the deck server, create deck. Look into this. Ooh, okay, so now I realize that depending on if you're player 1 or player 2, the units are different spots. But I think there's like some mathematical trickery I can use that will convert everything. Like I can save the units as if they're all player 1, and then if it turns out you get assigned player 2, I'm pretty sure there's like a math thing you can like do to figure out where you would be on the other side of the table. Because it's just like a mirror. I mean, why couldn't you? Seems completely reasonable. Let me see. Where am I inserting these guys into the database? Stuff duck. I meant to type deck. I don't want to stuff the duck. Okay. I'm looking for a query. Let's see. Get current create deck. Get unit deck. Why am I saving it? Get the unit templates from database. It's this. It's got to be the stuffed duck method. Insert into deck. No. Still not quite. Still not quite. Stuffed duck. What am I doing? Let me go back. I don't even think this was right. I think I should like delete this code. Where else do I call this method? I'm calling it in the deck server. That's where it should be called. Not here. I'm gonna comment this out for a second. Get unit deck. Am I doing any inserts into here? Where the hell? Where the hell am I inserting into? Set current unit deck. Okay, I'm just gonna do a full search. Insert into unit. Nothing. Spelled insert wrong. Here we go. I'm doing this somewhere. I'm doing it in deckbuilder.go. Twice. Okay. Oh, what the hell? These are errors? Save unit deck. That sounds right. This is supposed to be unit deck ID, I'm pretty sure. And I gotta insert. Where else was I doing this? Insert into unit. Wait. I'm here. Create unit deck. Oh, yeah. Insert into unit. Okay, I'm only doing it here. That makes sense. So, while this query needs to be updated to add the coordinates, the board coordinates, I just gotta make sure I know what I'm doing. Okay, save the deck. And we got the deck ID and unit template ID. I need more info. Okay, where is this being called? What's the deck ID for? Let's see. This is supposed to be unit deck. Unit deck ID. Because I got two types of decks in this game. I got like a deck of units, which is like these peeps, which is the waifus, and then I have card decks. So at one point I was both calling them both decks, and I just confused the shit out of myself, and I was like, oh my god, dude, I'm just calling this unit deck. Okay. Let's see, we got a save unit deck. Where else am I calling this function? Oh, that's just a comment and then the test. Okay, I'm only calling it here. Save unit deck? Model.save unit deck. So this is like a request. Okay, request a server. I need the enum. I'm pretty sure there's an enum in the proto buffs that I'm saving that tells me which unit I'm working with. Let me go to deck.proto. This is my proto buff file. Yeah, here we go. Like right here. I need this somehow. We got Kurogane, Millie, Mina, and Undead Boar for our units. Okay. So instead of this, I want a dictionary of the unit to the unit template ID or anything. Save unit deck request. So I need to do a database transaction. Yeah, let me save a deck. Okay, I think I can get everything I need. Is this deck ID in the database still? Oh my gosh, hold up. Let me go to my proto buffs. And where's my saved deck stuff? It's gonna be in deck builder. Deck builder. Do I have a deckbuilder.go file? Deckbuilder.proto? Is there a saved deck in here? Save. There it is. Let's rename this. Unit deck ID. Dude, I can't. I have to now make sure I explicitly say what deck is what. Okay. And then the response is like the same issue. Unit deck ID. Okay. These are my proto buff definitions for the game. It's just a long list of data types that I'm sending across the network. Just so I have type safety across the network, you know. Because I don't want to use JSON and just have very little type safety. Very little. And all the types are created at runtime, so it's not even helpful when you're programming. With JSON, that is. Anyways. Where'd that save unit deck function go? What happened over here? Oh yeah, okay. Unit deck ID. Go ahead and update. But what I want is to query to get the, of the card. Because if I look at the database, it's got to have the enum, right? I go to a unit template. I got the unit name and the enum of my 3 waifus nicely stored with their life and their descriptions. A knight waifu, a waifu with an axe, a mage waifu. There you go. So I should be able to query that because I have the IDs. Let's do select card enum from card template. Yeah, exactly. Copilot gets it sometimes. Okay, never mind. Oh, this is because my comment was wrong. Unit enum from unit template. Is this not unable to resolve unit template? That's what it's called, unit template. What are you saying? Choose schema. Let me choose a schema. It's gonna let me? The heck? Okay. Keyboard didn't want it? Okay, here we go. Now it's connected. Where ID is equal to that. Okay. A lot of stuff just happens. Okay, let's make that dictionary from... Let's do... Dictionary from... Unit enum to unit ID. To unit template. How do you do that? Enum unit template. What the hell? How do I make a... It's a map, right? I can... Dude, how do you make dictionaries in Golang? Here we go. So this is gonna be deck.unit enum. And it's gonna map to, for now, an int 64, I think. Do I have to make it? Maybe I had to do like make. Okay, there we go. Wow, kind of did that on my own. Now I can delete all of that, and then unit template ID. Maybe I should do this in here actually. Let me delete all that. Go into this function. And I think there's a loop in here. Here we go. What's all this stuff? Defer rollback? Start transaction? What in the world? Dude, this is a lot of code. For like a bunch of stuff that I barely understand. I might toss it. Delete all units from the deck, okay. This is not the pattern I've been doing in my other parts of the code base. Probably Copilot just shit some code out and it was working, so I was just like, okay. Damn you, Copilot. It's nice for a second. for you to get the enum of the unit. Let's do unit enum equals. I'll just do var unit enum deck.unit enum. There we go. And then when I'm scanning here, pass that in. Okay. It's supposed to return something. Error. Okay. Error. So we're scanning the unit enum. Get a unit enum from the database. Okay. And then over here. No new variables. Okay, let's just do that. Actually, I guess we don't even need this dictionary. We just need the enum. And use enum to get the coordinates of the unit. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna make a new file that's meant to handle the board state and where units should be. Let's see. Do I have, let me see, I don't even really have a folder that would be appropriate for that kind of stuff. Let's just make a new folder. Go modules, directories, go directory. I think there's board or game. Board or game? It's kind of the same thing because my game is a board. My board is the game. I'll go with game. Oh wow, I didn't want to put it in here. What the hell? Go up here to refactor. Alright, let's do I'm gonna do unit positions dot go. I don't need to type dot go. Call it unit positions, and what I'm gonna do is I'm basically just gonna copy this code. And I'm gonna slap it in here. The positions of the units really should be determined by the back end. Client should be making any decisions really, because that's how cheaters do. That's because if you can do it, if the client can make decisions, then cheaters will cheat. You know what I'm saying? So I just gotta convert this to Golang code. This doesn't look like it's gonna transfer at all. Convert the above code to Go. Can you do it? Serializable point? Don't really have that, but we do have a deck dot grid position. Well, look at that. That was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Okay. And then unit enum points. I just do all that. I think this is all I need. And I need to make sure this is exported. Okay. Looks good. But now that I have that dictionary set up, I can just go ahead and be like, insert into unit. Boom, boom, boom. Unit deck ID. This is a weird order. Let's do it this way. Let's go here. I don't know, I did not like that order. But we're gonna add another field here for, we're gonna add number 3. And, oh my gosh, number 3 and number 4. We're gonna use a dictionary, so it's gonna be like game dot. What did I name this? Unit enum points? Game dot. Whoop. I have another folder named game. Unit enum points. And it's gonna take the unit enum. Is that gonna work? Expected. Oh wait, this is squeal. What am I doing? Okay. This goes down here. Oops. Okay, and then see? Yeah, okay. Oh man, okay. If I do that, it takes me to there. Okay. Funky, funky. Let me remove that. Is it the X position first or the Y position? It's always the Y position second. That's how I feel like. So it's gonna be like this dot X and then dot Y. Am I doing this right? I think so. Cannot call a pointer method on. What are you saying? Is it this? Okay, there we go. ID suggests some weird stuff sometimes. It's just X and Y. Okay. All right. I think that should do it as far as setting the initial positions of the units in the game. So I am still kind of suspect of this stuff. Transaction.exec. Why are we using a transaction here? We don't need to do transactions. We just do. Is this a different library? What the hell? Model.begin. db.begin. Starts the transaction. And then I guess I end the transaction here. Okay. Actually, that is kind of cool. But well, I think it's unnecessary for what I'm doing here. Okay, let's just restart it. Let's just make sure it compiles, and then let's go ahead and save the deck in the actual game, and make sure the database has update stuff. Okay, that had no errors, surprisingly. What I'm looking for is that these values change when I save the deck in the game. So, oh man, I gotta fix up errors. Hold up, I got a bunch of errors. Now that I think about it, grid position, instantiate unit. Okay, yeah, so I'm no longer using these. So they're gonna throw errors at me because instead I need to get the values in the database. So, but you know what? Grid position. So I'm gonna comment this out. And I think all I gotta do is equals. So new grid position, unit proto dot grid position. Can I just do that? Unit proto dot grid position? Can I just slap a grid position in there? Are these different types? I guess that's a different type. Maybe I just make a new constructor. Public serializable point. And I'm just gonna do deck dot grid position. Let's make a new constructor. Make this easy. Serial, can't spell, serializable point. Okay. Alright, that works. So we just do that. And then over here, this is supposed to be unit deck ID. Okay. That's fine. Let's try it out. Bob. Go to the deck builder mode. This is my deck. 3 units. Alright, let's check it out. So when I save, a lot of the XY points should be reset. To set to different things. Saved. Did it work? I think it did. Let's check. Okay, cool. Looks that. It looks good. I think that's what I have it set to anyway, in when I had it defined in the back end. Like if I go to my unit positions, we got 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, and we got 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. Okay, wow, I'm surprised that worked out like on the first try without issues. Wow. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Next thing we gotta do. Now we can utilize all that. So I just gotta verify that we're passing those positions in deck builder server. Get unit deck. So I just gotta make sure when I query those units back when the game starts, they have to include the grid coordinate. So let's see. Let's just double check. It's gonna be hard to find the exact query. Select unit. Where am I doing that? Doesn't look like I'm doing that anywhere here. What about join unit? Join unit on right here. Get current unit deck ID? I don't think that's it either. Select from... Oh, that's not a statement. Select unit. Huh, that doesn't make any sense. I have to be querying the unit somewhere. What am I doing in here though? Oh, that's what I'm doing here. Oh, that's what I'm doing. I just forgot how to do SQL for a second. It's not select unit, it's from unit. Okay. Let's do, so I gotta include a few more things here. Then I was right to look over here. I have to do unit dot x position and unit dot y position. And when I build the unit proto, when I send it back, where do I build it? Right here. So I'm scanning somewhere. Row units. Okay, so we're selecting defer. I don't know really what this does yet. I don't know what it's for, but it seems important. But I need to add unit dot grid position dot x. Is this gonna work? I think so. Unit dot grid position dot y. Okay. I think that includes the grid positions. Now, if I have to go back to here and I gotta do the fancy math now. I don't think I can avoid that. So depending player proto, if player proto, so basically if it's player 2, we gotta do some math on the grid coordinates to do like the mirror version. Let's see if we can. I think this is like a job for ChatGPT, really. This really sounds like a jippity job. Just trying to see how much I should. I need to know what the grid position looks like. Maybe. Okay. Let's just go for it. Let's give it a shot. I have an 8x8 board, and if the player is player 2, I want the reflection of the grid position because they are on the other side of the board. So for example, if I have a unit at 0, 0 and they are player 2, then I want to set the unit proto dot grid position to 7, 7. I think that's enough info for it to figure out what I need. You can invert both the x and y coordinates. Grid position to make the unit be on the other side of the board. Given the board indices range from 0 to 7 for any time board. You can calculate the board by subtracting the current position from the set. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Is that all I got to do? That sounds a little sketch. New serializable point? What's this? Cannot convert So I gotta do something like this then. Grid position. What is it saying? Operator? Serializable point. Okay. And then this. Okay. So basically subtract 7. Subtract from 7. I guess that's easy enough. Let's just try it. Okay, I saved it. I actually gotta do something real quick. I need to log on to the other player's account and then save the deck. Actually, you know what? I don't even gotta do that. Let's just build. Let's build. Can I build while the game is running? I think so. Build succeeded, but it did turn off the game. Ooh. Let's go deck builder. Let us save. Let's go back. Join. Okay. Do the same thing over here. Join in. Let's start. Oh shit. Errors. Errors all around. What happened? Reference not set to an instance of an object. Crap. So it's null. Uniproto is null. That shouldn't be unless I forgot to restart. Maybe I didn't restart the server. That might be why. I think that's actually why. Let me try again. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. Bob. 1, 2, 3. The bam. The hell? Stream removed? Oh crap. Something crashed. Alright. Something is... Okay. The band. Something? What happened? Back-end error. It's gotta be. Right here. Nil pointer dereference. Okay, I was worried about that. Damn it. Uh, grid position. So I can't do this because it's grid position not exercised, unfortunately. So I just gotta do it this way. I'm still learning what things get like allocated memory automatically and which don't. It's a little tricky. But we're just gonna define this grid position. This allocates it. This allocates memory to it. I'm pretty sure. If not, we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out right now. Correct. Grid position. Let's try. Let's keep going. Is there an error again? Looks like. Oh lordy. What happened this time? Oh crap, there's actually no errors on the back end, which is not what I want to see. They're both blank now. I don't want to see errors in the... I'd rather see errors in the back end. Okay. Oh, I think I know what happened. I know what happened. I'm a dummy. There we go. I forgot this. I forgot to attach the grid position to the unit. That'll do it. That'll do it. Let's try again. John. No, still. Oh, Jesus. I forgot to restart the server. Oh my gosh, I am blowing it. Maybe I need a break over here. I need to take a break and watch boxing. Maybe we should take a boxing break. Get woken up, because every time I watch boxing I wake up a lot. It wakes me up. I get too hyped. I get super hyped. I'm into it. Oh shit. Here we go. The cards are not here though. What happened to the cards? Where'd my hand go? We're so close. What the hell? My hand's gone. What did I delete? Hold up. I just deleted that. What's the scene look like? I should, maybe if I go into here, car should be here. Huh. Here's my deck. So no one's drawing any cards. I wonder what happened. That was cool for a second. What happened? I didn't really change anything. I just changed stuff in the back end, but I didn't change anything related to the hand, did I? Whoa, what am I doing? Draw Conan's card back? Okay. Did I change something here? Let me look at something. Get diff. What? Oh, Jesus. Alright, I changed a bunch of stuff apparently. But let me look in this file. Only that. Okay. Where am I drawing the cards? Draw. Where did that code go? Spawn manager? All I changed was this stuff. What the heck? Alright, hold up. Oh, wait a second. Draw card RPC. Deck client. I have draw cards. Draw cards RPC. Right here. So this should be happening in the beginning. First I'm creating a deck and then I'm drawing cards. Yeah, that looks right. On this, I should have checked if the server crashed. Let me see. Huh. Surprisingly, looks correct. The last thing I did was draw cards on the server. 5 of them. Actually very confused right now. What did I break? Get diff. I did that. Let me just do get status first. So the two things I changed. Oh, I modified a lot of stuff here too. Let me just compile the protos again real quick. Would that break anything compile wise? Nope, we're good here. Let me restart this. And we gotta get to the bottom of this before I end the stream. Yeah, no issues. Change this. Text server, draw cards. So this is a thing. Shuffle deck. I remember changing something actually, now that I think about it. Oh shit, I do remember something. Create deck. I commented this out. Because okay, I'm just gonna put this back in. I thought I didn't need it. I do need it. Why did I comment that on the first place? I don't remember. I thought I had a good reason. It's because I thought I was calling it in the deck builder, but I'm not. Okay, yeah, that should fix everything. Let's just restart it. I kind of see what's going on now. Kind of see what's going on. I'm getting confused because I got two create deck functions. I'm confused. So I got confused myself. Okay. Sheesh. Let's redo this thing. Shall we? Shall we, my friend? Bob. Boo. Bobo. Let's join. Let's join. And start. There we go. Hell yeah. Bam! Wait a second, that should have not been... That should have not worked actually, now they... What? Something's wrong. Even though that worked. It should have blocked me. Okay, that was legal because... Okay, wait, that makes sense. That makes sense. But if I end my turn... and then I try to move, that's not gonna let me. Yes! Okay, that's right. It should say out of range. Target units out of range. Got it. Okay, I see where I've gone wrong. I do see the error of my ways, but we can fix it. I might be able to do it in the get players function. Or I can make a new RPC too. It just depends who's player 1 and player 2. When do I know that info by? I think in if I go back to if I go to the room server, when I start the game here, I think I can get it. I think I can update. Great players. I think I can sneak in some updates into here. They're into player. Player number. What I really want here is also I want to return player number. How is that stored in the database? Let me check. Player number. It's just 1 and 2. Okay. So this is either 1 or 2. And I knew the player number because Get unit deck. I think I gotta do that earlier actually, like update all the units, all of player 2's units be on the other side of the board. Player number equal 2. So we're looking through model.db.exec update resolve. Okay. Update unit set X position. Oh, let me try this again. X position equals. I actually need the unit protos. Shoot, this is actually a expensive operation. Has to be done. Okay. I wonder if there's a really crazy... There's got to be a really crazy SQL query I can write to do this. For given deck ID. I think I kind of see an avenue. The avenue is ask ChatGPT to look at this image. For a given unit deck ID, is it possible to write a query that inverts the coordinates in the database? I'm sure there is. I know there is. I just have no idea how the hell you would do it. Oh shit, that's it. Frick. Okay, I thought I knew SQL, but I really don't, because this is simple. Sheesh. Okay. I'm just glad I wasn't gonna do what I was doing, planning initially. Which is loop through every single individual unit and do separate transactions. Update unit. Let's do $1 here. Is that all I gotta do? And then they should come in correctly. Get unit deck. Players. Where's the players coming from? Oh, this is not supposed to be there. But how is this loop working again? Next, game ID, room ID. Okay, where am I getting select count ID? Oh. Account room. That's what that's for? What? This is empty though. What the hell? I guess they get cleaned up later on? I guess they do. That would mean I'm a genius. Alright, I'm rolling with it. Let's compile. What's the API server? Alright, let's roll with it. Bam, bam. Oh shit, how am I in the same... Huh? An item? What the hell did I scuff? Okay. Unknown. Now I'm getting unknown. Now would I mess up? Royally mess something up again. Did I get... Maybe I got an error in the back end. Huh. What did I change that would cause all this? Thought I was being smart by doing it in here, but maybe that wasn't it. Change the music. Cancel. Yeah. Whoops. So something's funky. Oh, these aren't getting reset, huh? When the game starts. Okay. But that's not the issue completely. The issue is that we're losing something important about the player. So when I join the lobby, that means if I go here, there's me. Okay. Cool. Cool enough. And then on my other one, it's ready up. So then we see both of us. Okay. And well, that's nice. Okay. Oh damn, everything's not right. Shoot, what happened? I am messing a bunch of stuff up. I should have actually stopped. Whoa, I've just not reset to reference. What was the first error? This one. Key has already been added. Okay, let me stop. So the player proto coming in is wrong. Get players. Huh. We have the get players call here. So I'm wondering. Something messed up with the get players, I guess. But I'm not getting any error on the back end, which is concerning. I got a breakpoint there. That's good. I need to look at what I changed in the back end. I guess it's just game server. Get players. Did I change something in here? I don't think so. I guess I set a breakpoint there. Let's just do that real quick. Why is this coming in as unknown? Oh, think I just realized what happened. I think I understand what happened. Okay. Where was that at? Where was it? When I get the players... Dang. This. Okay. Huh. Yeah. What am I doing this for? I tricked myself. Okay. I played myself by accident. I don't need to do any of this. And I don't know why I was doing this. Oh, I know okay. I get it. Okay, I get it now. Sheesh. And this should actually be at 1. I gotta reset this to how it was. What were the changes before? Scroll back. What the heck? Is it here? Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's it. Alrighty then. If only my code was a little less confusing. Whatever. Whatever. I hope this works. Come on. Oh, snaps. Got to get out of here. This has got to work. Let's see. I think I'm onto something here. What happened? Breakpoint? No. Maybe. I don't see any. I don't want to start. What the hell? Expected one destination scan, not two? Oh. Over here. There we go. Okay. I also realized something that I need to do. I also got to reset the unit positions of all the both player 2's units. How will I do that? Dang it, that's actually... This is gonna be really inefficient, but whatever. So let's just do... game dot unit enum unit positions. What was it? Unit positions. Unit enum point. You gonna let me do that? Unit enum points. I gotta import it. Let me do unit game. Just like that. Is it gonna work? Unused import? Oh, that's fine. Unit enum point. There we go. And then unit proto dot unit enum x. Okay. I think I could do where. Oh wait, actually. Okay, yeah. Okay, I think that's what I gotta do. That is not ideal, but I'd rather just get it working at this point. Oh, it looks like an error. Unit proto is already there. Okay, just overwrite it. Overwrite. All right, let's try this again. Come on, come on. Okay. We not need that. Don't need this either. No? Oh, damn. Something wrong with the opponent. Whoa, that's getting overlapped weird. At least it's not super broken, but... At least the border states are the same. I gotta look in the database. They didn't reset the positions, should have gone reset. Alright, I gotta blow everything up here. Server.go. Create game? In the game model? Game.go. Okay. And then create players. This is a money function. That's not working. What's happening in here? Am I doing an insert? Pretty sure I'm only doing select stuff. Get unit deck, okay. I should have updated everything. I need a breakpoint here. I'm wondering why this isn't getting like collapsed. I was doing put hair in my mouth. Hair. Okay. A beard hair. Maybe I should shave soon. See. But what happened here? It seems like the ID is not right. Get unit deck. Unit, thing I can't find. Unit pro, shoot. Unit.id. Oh, right here. Scan ID. Unit.id. That looks right. Dang it. Actually, I'm a little confused. Why this isn't working? I'm just gonna set a breakpoint here. Do it again. Maybe over here. Okay. See what I got in here. Okay. Looks good. 172, 173, and 174. It goes to the database. 172, 172, 74. And Okay. Wait a minute. Am I dumb? Being a dummy here? Oh, snaps. I forgot about this. This ain't it. Uh that should be, oh jeez. Oh man. That'll mess everything up. But okay. Since we got the breakpoint going already, let's just keep going. Keep going. Oh, wait a second. Something what? Why is it working now? Dude, I'm so confused. Let me start over. Oh my gosh. I gotta take a break. I gotta wrap this up soon. Okay, once this works, I promise we're wrapping this up. Because I am just like... I'm starting to do the dumbest things known to man. I guess that starts happening after I code straight for a couple hours. Okay. No biggie. Oh, geez. Perfect time for Unity to crash. That's because I probably changed the code while I was doing stuff. Where's my handy dandy task manager? And task, okay. Okay, Unity Hub, opener back up. That looked like it was all working, which is cool. I do gotta rebuild the client. So let's do that real quick. Build. And success. Let's run her. And then run her. Bomb 1 2 3. Bam 1 2 3. Boob. Bam. Start. Oh. Interesting. Interesting. Why are they starting forward? Why is she not getting reset? That's working. What just happened? Okay, that's working. Let me end my turn. Surprisingly all working. But the beginning, the initial state, but the initial positions are weird. Oh damn it. Close. Okay. Why is that happening? Unit enum points. Mina. Millie. Millie shouldn't be starting where she's starting. But she's starting somewhere weirdly. How are we getting there? The unit proto getting sent back is a little funky. We're updating positions here. And we're re-getting them. XY position, okay. I'm actually, what? That isn't, I'm super confused actually. Unit prefab dictionary. Not using player proto. Okay, hold up. Let me try again. Oh, dang, Unity crashed again? Oh, man. Just give it another whirl. Oh, Jesus. Now that's way off. And they're on the same spots. I gotta figure out what's wrong there. Let me look in the database. Now they have like the same coordinates. Man. I want to fix this bug before I commit everything. Am I scupping up the player number? Let me check over here on the bigger one. Let me see. Player number goes 2. Alright, I'm gonna set some breakpoints. We're gonna figure this out real quick. Actually, I wonder if I should... Okay. Never mind. We're already here. At this point, I can check the database, and none of them are reset. X position and Y position. X position. That's concerning. They should have been updated in the database. 175, 176, and 177. But look at them in the database. Yeah, they didn't get updated. Didn't execute. This grade's not executing for some reason. Go appears to be a few potential issues. Transaction control. Am I using a transaction? I don't think I am. Shouldn't be the issue. One, two, three. Looks fine. Oh, I guess I'm not checking for errors. Huh. There might just be an error. Verify the enum map. Enum map is good. Okay. Let's restart. And I gotta restart the server. And close that. Whoops. When I turn off the server too fast, the clients freak out. Alright, let's log in. Trying to get the units to spawn in the right spot. Why does it say I'm ready? I'm not ready. It's weird. Okay. Oh man, breakpoint. Do we get an error? Let's see. Error updating. Oh, we did getting some errors. Oh, okay, so that explains all my issues. Okay. Converting argument unsupported type. Grid position on a struct. What does that mean? Okay, over here. Error updating. Unit table and query players. Unsupported type. Don't obstruct. Grid position on a struct. I don't understand. What? Unsupported type deck.grid position. Is that what this is? Oh, what? Oh, man. I didn't see that. That's dumb. Okay. Let's restart. There we go. Now everything's making a lot of sense. We can see it in action. Yeah, my turn just for showing it. Okay, here we go. Bam. And bam. Well done, well done. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's wrap this up before shit hits the fan. Now saving, starting. Positions in the back end. Woot. Right, pushing that. And then let's go over here. Saving, starting, positions in the back end. Woot. Alright, let's wrap the stream up. I'm gonna wrap it up now. Thank you guys for coming to the streams. Ba-bam, ba-bam. Alright. Finally.